Right, hello everybody. Very quick update. How are we getting on? I just about finished the sanding. Whew. The only bits I can't do is in this gap here until the roof comes off. I can't do that on my own, I need help. But I don't want to take that off until it's back on its chassis. That'll be easier then, but yeah, I've just got to do in there all the way around, obviously, and in there. But it's all done, basically, cleaned out, and I've just test fitted and drilled small holes for the visor. I do like these visors. I think it just finishes it off somehow. I don't know. But anyway, so that'll all get painted with it. I'm going to, like I say, I'm going to try and get it near enough the same as this blue, or you know, close to it as I can. So, but yeah, it's already dust everywhere. So, but I believe this is according to the pan. Everything I read is a AOD transmission, which is an automatic overdrive. So fourth gear is 0.67 to 1. So that should be good. I'm not sure what the axle ratio is. I didn't look at the tag. But that should make it, if everything works on this injection system, that should make it pretty good on fuel, I would expect. Or some, I need new ones, engine mounts. We get new ones for them, put them in. I would expect somewhere around 18 mile to the gallon, I would assume. I'd hope a bit more if we're lucky, you never know. So it's not going to be pulling the air conditioning pump, because there's no point changing all that. And how often do we need air conditioning? Once in a blue moon. So anyway, right, like my wooden wheels. Anyway, so that's it for now. I've used tech screws for now, just to put it on, and then that will place the holes, and then when it all comes off, once it's painted, I'll put riv nuts in it so that it's more permanent. I don't like just putting like metal screws in that can rip out and just bugger the paint and bodywork up. So anyway, chap's supposed to be coming and take the window out sometime next week, hopefully, and I'll get him to help me take these out as well, the side windows, because they're a bit awkward and my wrists and everything aren't good enough to do it on my own. So I mean, they're the old style, just a rubber. So, but anyway, so she's coming along. That's back to fiberglass. Took bloody ages to get that all sanded down. So there you go. I haven't got the wheels back, so I haven't sent the body panels away for shot blasting yet. But anyway, it's coming along. Rome wasn't built in a day. I made a new battery tray, because the battery tray was all rusty and horrible underneath, so I made a new one of them. So that's that. Anything else I've done? Don't think so. Alright, cheers for now, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.